This is the annotation for May Your Pen Grace the Page by Luca Lesson, as well as some details about the exam requirements for Module C in your trial HSC next term and your actual HSC the following term. Basically, the purpose of this module is to strengthen and extend your knowledge, skills, and confidence in writing, as well as the important connection between reading and writing. So, how does this poem do that? That's kind of up to you to decide. The text we've studied, this poem and the J.K. Rowling speech, are to be used as models or stimulus for the development of your own writing. In your exam, you may be required to reflect on one of your prescribed texts, so it's important to be familiar with the text. This way, you can explain what the text has taught you about your own writing and how it influenced your creative choices. While you won't need to critically analyse your prescribed text for the craft of writing in the exam, you will need to discuss the language techniques and choices the author has made to construct a text so that you can discuss how these have developed your own understanding of the craft of writing. So you can find the completed annotation in document form on Google Docs. I'll post the link in our Facebook group. So here's the annotation for the poem. What I've done is gone through the entire poem, highlighting the various examples, and added a comment that has the technique and sometimes an explanation, sometimes just the technique. It goes through the entire poem, and you'll notice that I highlight over some things a few times. So there are some phrases and words that are more than one technique or part of more than one example. I would really encourage you to listen to this poem again, remembering that it is performance poetry. The poem shouldn't just be read, it should be listened to. So many of the techniques are verbal techniques, and it's about the way that Luca Lesson says the words and expresses himself rather than just the way that it's written. And this is actually going to help you understand that writing process so much more. So recommendations are to jump on our Facebook page and have a look at the Google Doc that you see on the screen to see the link to where the video is and some other useful links that will help you prepare for your craft of writing section in the trial exam. Good luck with your trial and study hard.